Dear students, this is the first video lecture of exercise 6.1 of chapter comparing quantities. Topic we are covering is percentage. First question is, what is percentage? So we can see that percentage has two parts. Per means every, and cent means 100, every 100. So I have created a scorecard here. If a student scorecard is as below: in English he scores 68, in Hindi he scores 80, in maths he scores 75, in science he scores 60, in social studies also he scores 60, in Sanskrit he scores 70, in computers he scores 65, in GK he scores 80, and in life skills also he scores 80. Then how can we calculate its percentage? First we will sum up these scores. On calculating these scores, the sum is 638. Okay, so the formula is marks obtained upon total marks multiplied by 100. Marks obtained is 638. Every subject maximum marks is 100. Then we have 9 subjects here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 900 as maximum marks into 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 are cancelled. On dividing 638 by 9, we get 70.88%. This is how we calculate the percentage. Okay. Next, we have some concept based calculations here. First, to express percentage into fractions. To express percentage into fraction, we divide by 100. Okay. Suppose I have a question 58%. So it will be expressed as 58 upon 100. Now it will be deducted. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10 and 0. So the required fraction is 29 upon 50. Next, to express percentage into decimal. If I have a question 73%, we have to convert it into decimal. Then it is 73 upon 100. Then it will be directly converted into decimal, 0.73. Okay. This can be expressed as ratio also if you want. This is 29 is to 50. Next, to express fraction as a percentage. Suppose I have question 3 upon 5. So to express fraction as percentage, we multiply by 100. In this case, we divide by 100. So 3 upon 5 multiply by 100. 5 ones are 5 2 are 10 and 0. This is 3 2 are 6 and 0. This is 60%. To express decimal as percentage, again multiply by 100. Suppose I have a question 27.1 and I want to convert it into percentage. Then I will multiply it by 100. It gives you 2170 point. So this is such much of percentage. Okay. Now some more problems we have here. Find 13% of 700. So 13% means 13 upon 100 multiply by 700. 0 0 0 0 are cancelled and 13 7 is 91. 13 7 is 91, sorry. Rupees 91. If 15% of A is 80, so I'll write here 15% as 15 upon 100. Of means multiply by A is means equal to 80. So A is equal to 80 and 15 upon 100 will be reciprocal. 100 up and 15 down. Now 5 2 are 10 and 0. 5 3 are 15. 8 2 is 16. 1600 upon 3 will be its answer. Next part is, next question, number 3. Ankur was given an increment of 10% on his salary. His new salary is 3,575. What was his salary before increment? So let his salary before increment be rupees X. So according to question, this is the basic salary and on this salary 10% increment. 10% of X, the new salary will be 3575. We have to calculate this. So X plus 10 upon 100X is equal to 3575. We'll take the LCM of 1 and 100. This is 100x and plus 10x is equal to 3575 and 110 x upon 100 is equal to 3575. So now 110 upon 100 will be reciprocal on the other side. This is x is equal to 3575 into 100 up and 110 down. So 0 0 is cancelled. 11 ones are 11 3 is 33, 2 is there, 11 2 is 22 and 11 5 is 55. So 325 multiplied by 10 gives you 3250. So this much is his basic salary. Next is question number 4. If A's income is 30% less than B's, then how much percent is B's income more than A's? So in such a question we have a direct formula. Okay, the formula that will follow is like this. X upon 100 minus X multiply by 100. X is 30. 30 upon 100 minus 30 multiply by 100. 30, 100 minus 30 is 70. This one. 0, 0 are cancelled. So we have here 300 upon 7%. It can be written in the mixed form also. 7 into 42 plus 6. So this is the answer for this part.